celebrations. We return to where it all begins, the cocoa plantation, where tomorrow's chocolate starts its journey.
Notice how these Criollo cocoa pods display their characteristic golden hue. This rare variety represents less than... Experienced harvesters can identify optimal ripeness through decades of practice. They assess color, sound, and the cutting technique matters enormously. A clean cut at the precise angle prevents tree damage and ensures
This coordinated harvest employs over 50 skilled workers during peak season. Each pod is hand-selected.
Meanwhile, thousands of kilometers away, premium pistachios reach harvest maturity. Dubaichocolate
The third essential ingredient, premium wheat for traditional Knafeh pastry, comes from heritage fields. Within hours of harvest, cocoa pods begin their journey to the processing facility. Temperature control and timing are critical. Here, at this state-of-the-art facility in Dubai's industrial quarter, traditional chocolate-making artistry meets.
The receiving dock operates with precision choreography. Every ingredient is logged, inspected, and
Customers, consider the precision here. Each pod is measured for size, assessed for ripeness, and tested for moisture content.
This climate-controlled facility maintains optimal conditions for each ingredient. Cocoa at 18 degrees Celsius.
The pod opening reveals nature's perfect packaging. Each contains precisely enough beans for approximately fermentation, where chocolate's complex flavor truly begins. These beans will rest for precisely 6 days at drying reduces moisture content from 60% to precisely 7.5%, critical for preventing mold while
Roasting at precisely 135 degrees Celsius for 18 minutes transforms the beans chemically.
Winnowing separates the precious cocoa nibs from shells with remarkable precision. The nibs, pure cocoa essence.
This is the moment solid cocoa becomes liquid chocolate. Friction and pressure release the cocoa butter. Conching refines chocolate for 12 to 72 hours, depending on desired quality. These machines continuously knead the chocolates.
Tempering is chocolate's most critical phase. Precise temperature control creates stable cocoa butter crystals, ensuring the character.
Here we witness the creation of authentic Knafeh, the golden pastry that gives Dubai chocolate its distinctive texture.
The Knafeh is gently toasted in clarified butter until golden and fragrant. You would smell the nutty aroma of toasted pastry.
The pistachios are coarsely chopped to create textural complexity in the filling.
This is where Dubai chocolate's magic truly happens. The signature filling, toasted Knafeh, premium pistachios.
Observe the exquisite balance. Smooth tahini cream studded with crispy Knafeh and crunchy pistachios. Automated precision defines modern chocolate production. Each mold receives exactly 45 grams of tempered chocolate. Notice how vibration eliminates microscopic air bubbles that would compromise appearance and texture. The signature filling is injected with robotic precision, exactly 18 grams per bar. 2 tiers. The final chocolate layer seals the precious filling inside, creating Dubaichocolate's distinctive structure, darkening.
Controlled cooling is essential for developing chocolate's characteristic snap and shine. This tunnel maintains a precise. Here we witness chocolate's molecular transformation. Cocoa butter molecules align into stable type V crystals.
20 minutes later, perfectly crystallized chocolate emerges. The matte surface and firm structure confirm successful tempering. The satisfying moment of release, properly tempered chocolate separates cleanly from molds without sticking or breaking. Each bar emerges.
Every single bar undergoes rigorous inspection. Automated cameras detect surface imperfections invisible to human eye.
The snap test reveals everything. A clean break indicates perfect tempering, while the cross-section shows restrictions. Packaging elevates product to experience. These premium materials, featuring traditional Middle Eastern design motifs, communicate.
The inner foil wrapper provides essential protection, creating an oxygen barrier that preserves chocolate's delicate flavor compounds.
The outer sleeve transforms protected chocolate into luxury gift. Notice the fusion of traditional Arabic design and stream.
Final packaging inspection ensures perfect presentation, sleeve alignment, printing quality, barcode.
Retail presentation demands equal precision. These display boxes contain 12 bars each, arranged to showcase the precision.
Security sealing and batch coding complete the packaging process. Every box receives tamper-evident tape and unique
Sophisticated logistics software coordinates global distribution, real-time inventory tracking, temperature-monitored shipments.
cold chain logistics preserve quality during distribution. These refrigerated trucks maintain precise temperature throughout From cocoa plantation to consumer, a journey spanning continents, combining traditional craftsmanship with modern.
This moment represents thousands of decisions, from cocoa variety selection to packaging design. Every choice. Observe the results of precise tempering, that characteristic matte finish and perfect form. Before the first,
that satisfying snap, audible proof of perfect tempering. The cross-section
the first bite delivers textural symphony. Crisp chocolate snap yields to crunchy Knafeh and
Consumer satisfaction, the ultimate measure of success. From cocoa plantation through countless precision.
Dubai chocolate, where traditional Middle Eastern flavors meet Swiss chocolate-making precision. What began as regional Global expansion continues. International exhibitions connect Dubai chocolate with distributors worldwide.
Modern marketing meets traditional craft. Professional content creators share Dubai chocolate's story through social media.
Sustainability guides operations. Cocoa shells become agricultural fertilizer. Water undergoes treatment and recycling.
Ethical sourcing forms our foundation. Direct partnerships with farmer cooperatives ensure fair compensation and sustainable livelihoods.
Excellence depends on people. Continuous training develops skills and knowledge, ensuring every worker understands their role in quality.
Data drives decisions. Daily quality reviews analyze metrics from every production phase, identifying opportunities.
The structural integrity looks good on the tablet, but we need to verify the latest steel shipment.
I already rerouted the delivery for tomorrow morning. We're on schedule.
The satisfaction scores jumped right here after we implemented the new response template.
Yes, the feedback loop is definitely working.
I'll finalize the report based on this data.
Beyond consumption, chocolate becomes gesture, expressing appreciation, celebrating occasions, creating memories. Culinary recognition validates quality. Prestigious restaurants and chefs incorporate Dubai chocolate into signature.
I finally got my hands on the viral Dubai chocolate. Look at that snap.
This looks perfect for a gift.
Yes.
Yes, the packaging is beautiful. We should get two.
Expert validation confirms excellence. Professional chocolate sommeliers and industry specialists assess Dubai chocolate using rigorous sensory evaluation standards. Competitive recognition validates quality pursuit. International chocolate competitions evaluate products against rigorous.
Educational adoption shapes culinary future. Prestigious culinary institutions incorporate Dubai chocolate into professional training programs.
Success creates responsibility. Business growth enables community investment, education programs, sustainable agriculture support.
Diversity strengthens innovation. This multicultural team, representing 12 countries, brings global perspectives to.
Chocolate transcends culture. People from every background find common ground in shared appreciation of quality and flavor. This complete system, From raw material receiving through final packaging, operates with orchestrated precision. Final verification ensures promise delivered. Even after passing multiple checkpoints, finished products undergo
the day's achievement. Over 100,000 chocolate bars produced, each meeting exacting standards. This quantity...
Excellence begins with vision. Leadership passion for quality permeates every decision, every process, every product.
Dubai, city of ambition, innovation, and excellence. This chocolate born here reflects the culture.
Traditional flavors inspire innovation. These ancient souks, where Knafeh and Pistachios have been
Universal appeal transcends boundaries. From Tokyo to Toronto, from Mumbai to Mexico City, consumers across...
Wow. This is the best chocolate ever. I love the crunchy part inside.
Excellence never sleeps. Night shift workers maintain identical quality standards as day teams.
Innovation continues. This team explores future possibilities, new flavor combinations, product extensions, package.
The temperature on the Atlantic route is holding steady at 18 degrees.
We have a congestion alert over Europe. We need to reroute.
I'm initiating the dynamic reroute now. Is it, Doris?
This feedback trend is
Concerning, but it highlights a clear opportunity.
If we adjust the protocol here, we can prevent future issues.
People create excellence. This recognition ceremony celebrates individuals.
Environmental responsibility delivers results. Carbon footprint reduced 35% over 3 years through renewable.
Artisan craftsmanship elevates offerings. While technology enables scale, human touch creates premium layers.
External verification validates claims. Independent food safety auditors regularly inspect facilities, confirm.
See how the viscosity changes when you dip the ladle slowly.
Yes, the texture is much smoother now.
Exactly. You've got the feel for the right temperature.
Visual communication matters. This professional photography studio creates marketing assets showcasing chocolate's beauty.
In panels, consumer voices guide evolution. Regular research sessions gather feedback directly from target audiences.
Global reach requires partnerships. These meetings with international distributors and retailers create market access worldwide. Regulatory excellence enables global access. Certifications from FDA, European Union, and dozens of national authorities confirm the product meets diverse regulatory requirements.
We need to ensure the Q4 ramp-up aligns with the forecast.
Capacity looks good, but we should monitor the automated lines closely.
Brand protection ensures authenticity. Success attracts imitation. Counterfeit products threaten consumer safety and brand reputations. Resilience ensures reliability. Supply chain disruptions, weather events, political instability,
Technology drives evolution. Digital transformation integrates Industry 4.0 systems, automated quality monitoring. Vision extends forward. Planned facility expansions will triple production capacity over 5 years. Ambitious growth responding to global. Industry leadership shares knowledge. Company executives present at international conferences, sharing insights on quality.
Versatility creates universal appeal. Dubai chocolate fits countless occasions: afternoon indulgence, thoughtful gift, celebration dessert, travel treat.
Global phenomenon realized. From Dubai to Tokyo, London to Sao Paulo.
Recognition validates pursuit. International chocolate competitions, industry quality awards, sustainability ensures future. These plantations, managed through regenerative agriculture practices, will supply cocoa for generations to come.
Purpose guides action. These stated values: quality without compromise, environmental responsibility.
Connection transcends consumption. Chocolate shared creates moments, friends bonding, families celebrating, cultures bridging.
This represents our complete story. Premium cocoa, finest pistachios, traditional Knafeh.
Excellence requires community. Cocoa farmers, production workers, quality specialists, business leaders, distributors.
From cocoa plantation to your hands, every step dedicated to creating something truly exceptional. This is Dubai.